Many people don't struggle with English at work. They struggle with English with people. Small talk, feelings, real conversations. You know the words, but you're not sure how to say things naturally. That's not confidence. That's missing social English. Today, we'll fix that. These words help you sound friendly, relaxed, and real. Stay till the end. Your conversations will feel smoother after this.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'll explain each word and what it really means in daily English.
And I'm Emma. I'll help you understand each word with 2 clear, real-life examples.
Get along. This means to have a good relationship with someone. It's often used when talking about friends, family, or co-workers.
Example: I get along well with my teammates. They didn't get along at first, but now they do.
Open up. Long. This means to share your thoughts or feelings. It usually happens when you feel comfortable with someone.
Example: he finally opened up about his stress. It takes time to open up to new people.
Hang out. This means to spend time together casually. It's very common with friends and co-workers.
Example: do you want to hang out after work? We used to hang out every weekend.
Feel left out. This describes the feeling of not being included. It's an emotional phrase people use a lot.
Example: I felt left out during the conversation. She didn't mean to make him feel left out.
Be there for. This means to support someone emotionally. It shows care and trust.
Example: I'll always be there for you. She was there for her friend during a tough time.
Make up. This means to stop being angry and become friends again. Often used after arguments.
Example: they argued, but they made up later. Let's talk and make up.
Catch feelings. This means to start having romantic feelings. It's informal and very modern.
Example: I didn't plan to, but I caught feelings. She caught feelings faster than she expected.
Set boundaries. This means to clearly say what you're okay with and what you're not. It's important in healthy relationship.
Example: she set boundaries at work. It's okay to set boundaries with friends.
Drift apart. This means people slowly become less close. Not because of a fight, just time and life.
Example: we drifted apart after college. Sometimes friends drift apart naturally.
Hit it off. This means to connect with someone quickly, usually used when people meet for the first time.
Example: we met once and hit it off immediately. They hit it off at the party. Good English isn't only about work. It's about connection. Use one word from today in your next real conversation. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for more real spoken English. and comment one sentence using today's words.